is still toxic. Lungs are still burning. Yet, the strictest curbs are already gone. GRAP 3 has been lifted in Delhi even as pollution continues to hover in the very poor category. The Commission for Air Quality Management Subcommittee revoked GRAP 3, citing a steady improvement in Delhi's air over the last 3 days.
CUCM की तरफ से ग्रैप 3 को विड्रॉ कर दिया गया है। अब मात्र ग्रैप 2 की रिस्ट्रिक्शंस दिल्ली पे रहेंगी। जो स्कूल्स हाइब्रिड चल रहे थे वो रिस्ट्रिक्शन को भी ख़त्म कर दिया गया है। जो 50% होम का था उस रिस्ट्रिक्शन को भी ख़त्म कर दिया गया। केवल ग्रैप 2 की रिस्ट्रिक्शंस दिल्ली पर लागू होंगी।
So what restrictions are still in place? Under GRAP Stage 1, dust control at all construction sites is mandatory. Open burning of any kind remains completely banned. Eateries and food vendors cannot use coal or firewood and must shift to clean fuels. GRAP Stage 2 remains active as well. Non-emergency diesel generator sets are banned. Daily mechanical sweeping and water sprinkling continue across the city, and the public is strongly advised to use public transport and limit private vehicle use. Despite the rollback of stricter curbs, Delhi's air continues to pose a serious health risk. A look at the air quality trend shows little real relief. On November 22nd, AQI was 370. It rose to 391 on November 23. On November 24, it stood at 382. It dipped to 353 on November 25. Improved briefly to 327 on November 26, but today, November 27, AQI is back up at 381, firmly in the very poor zone. As the capital chokes, the political fight has intensified. A fresh flashpoint has erupted over Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saksena's announcement of a hot air balloon tourism project over the Yamuna floodplains, unveiled even as the city battles hazardous air. Last year, the LG had sharply criticized the Delhi government over pollution control. This year, the balloon project has triggered accusations of mixed messaging.
पिछले साल तक जब अरविंद केजरीवाल की सरकार थी तो सड़कों पर उतरते थे, बाकायदा 250-250 अफसरों को लेकर उतरते थे और उन्होंने कहा 74% प्रदूषण जो है वो दिल्ली का अपना प्रदूषण है, जो कि ठीक हो सकता है अगर नीयत ठीक हो। तो क्या आज रेखा गुप्ता जी की नीयत ठीक नहीं है? क्या रेखा गुप्ता जी एलजी विनय सक्सेना से परामर्श नहीं कर रही हैं?
With winter setting in and pollution sources still active across North India, the relief remains fragile. GRAP 3 may be rolled back for now, but Delhi's air remains dangerous and the political battle over responsibility is only growing sharper.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.